For woodworking enthusiasts eager to explore cutting-edge technology, Kreg Tools is launching an impressive power tool collection in the near future. While Kreg's reputation has long been built on pocket hole joinery excellence, they're now expanding into an extensive lineup of groundbreaking power tools. In this overview, we'll examine these forthcoming tools in detail, exploring their capabilities, ideal users, and how they integrate into your woodworking space and processes. Let's get started. The Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive 6.5-inch plunge cut track saw is built to deliver clean and accurate cuts in solid wood and plywood, especially when used with the Kreg 62-inch guide track. It runs on a powerful 6-speed brushless motor that ensures steady performance, while the fully shrouded thin curve 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade makes every cut smooth and efficient. To keep you safe while working, it features a retracting blade guard, a riving knife, an electronic blade brake, and anti-kickback control so you can cut with confidence. What really sets it apart is the blade left design created specifically for right-hand users, which gives you clear visibility and better control throughout the cut. On top of that, it offers a cutting depth of up to 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1.5 inches at 45 degrees, along with a bevel capacity that ranges from -1 degree to 47 degrees, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of projects with precision and ease. The Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive 5-inch random orbit sander is designed to make sanding easier, faster, and more precise for every surface and project. Its variable speed settings ranging from 6,000 to 12,000 OPM give you full control over the sanding process, while the 32-inch orbit ensures fast material removal without sacrificing a smooth, even finish. The ergonomic grip is thoughtfully designed for multiple hand positions, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods of time while reducing hand fatigue. And the balanced fan with pad seal keeps the sander running smoothly and steadily during extended use. The soft start motor and sanding pad brake provide greater control, making startups gentle and safe while preventing unwanted gouges or marks on your workpiece. It comes with a 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad featuring 8 holes, which makes changing grits quick and hassle-free. Overall, this sander combines power, precision, and comfort in one versatile tool, making it perfect for both detailed finishing work and larger sanding projects. For woodworkers looking to create strong and precise joints with ease, the Kreg Mortise Mate loose tenon jig is an indispensable tool because it allows you to cut mortises for loose tenon joinery using just a standard drill. It supports tenons in 6, 8, and 10 millimeter thicknesses, giving you flexibility for a wide range of projects, and its auto-indexing step-down mechanism lowers the cutter tip in 1/16-inch increments, which ensures precise control with every cut. Setup is quick and easy, whether you are working with panels or 90-degree joints, and micro-adjustment screws let you fine-tune the mortise width for a perfect fit. Additionally, the integrated mini work surface keeps your workpiece securely clamped, which guarantees consistent mortise depth across multiple pieces. It accommodates workpieces ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, and it comes with a durable carbide-tipped 6mm mortising cutter for long-lasting accuracy. Furthermore, laser-etched markings on the cutter make positioning the stop collar quick and simple for commonly used mortise depths, while still allowing adjustments for custom tenon fitting, making the Mortise Mate a versatile, precise, and reliable tool for any woodworking project. Starting off with the Kreg Revel 20-volt Ionic Drive pocket hole joiner. This tool is built to make pocket hole joinery faster, easier, and more precise as it combines portability with powerful performance. Powered by a brushless 20-volt Ionic Drive motor, it delivers maximum torque and control, while its all-in-one design means you don't need a separate drill to get the job done. With one smooth motion, you can create pocket holes quickly, and the integrated dust collection system with a vacuum attachment keeps your workspace clean. To ensure accuracy, it offers individual settings for drill bit depth and fence adjustments, along with fast, repeatable setups for materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. The included narrow rail guide and support feet provide extra stability when working with smaller pieces, and Grip Max anti-slip material holds everything steady without the need for clamping. Built with a rugged metal frame and a folding handle, it's designed to handle tough job site conditions while still being easy to store and carry wherever you need it. When you need a drill that packs serious power without the bulk, the Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive half-inch compact drill is the tool that steps up. With its 5.9-inch compact design, it easily fits into tight spaces while staying lightweight and comfortable to handle. Don't let the size fool you though, because it delivers a strong 650 inch-pounds of torque, giving you efficient drilling and driving every time. The 2-speed gearbox lets you choose between 0 to 500 RPM for torque or 0 to 2000 RPM for speed, so you're always in control of the job at hand. To keep things precise, it offers 20+1 clutch settings that prevent overdriving screws, and the variable speed trigger makes drilling and driving smooth and controlled. Working in low light spots is no problem either, thanks to the built-in LED light with a 10-second delay. Add in the durability of an all-metal half-inch chuck and a tough metal gear housing, and you've got a compact drill that's built to last while keeping your projects moving with ease. You've always needed a circular saw that combines power, precision, and ease of use. The Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive 7¼ circular saw delivers all that and more. Its brushless motor provides plenty of torque for smooth, clean cuts, while the premium Shark Cut 40-tooth finishing blade ensures professional results in plywood, hardwood, and dimensional lumber. For added accuracy, it's AccuCut compatible, giving you track-like precision when paired with the guide system. With a cutting depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees, it can handle 2x material at a bevel with ease. Safety and control are built in with a soft start motor to reduce kickback and an electronic blade brake for quick stops. The all-metal base plate ensures long-lasting durability, while the onboard LED light provides clear visibility in low-light workspaces. On top of that, the integrated 1 1/4-inch vacuum port keeps dust under control, and onboard tool storage keeps the Allen wrench handy for fast blade changes. For detailed woodworking jobs where precision really matters, the Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive 1/4-inch trim router is the tool that brings both accuracy and control to your hands. Its cordless design makes it easy to move around the shop or job site, and the compact build with a rubberized grip ensures it's comfortable to handle even during longer projects. With a smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system, you can fine-tune cuts with micro-precision, while the dual LEDs and clear base plate give you a clear view of your workpiece at all times. The variable speed range from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM lets you match performance to any material, and the soft start motor provides a gentle ramp-up in speed for better control when starting a cut. Built for durability, it features a die-cast base and metal motor housing, along with dust-proof buttons that hold up well in tough shop environments. It also accepts bits up to 1 3/8 inches in diameter and comes with both 1 1/4-inch and 6mm collets for versatility. Plus, the integrated 1 1/4-inch vacuum port keeps dust under control so your workspace stays cleaner while you work with precision and ease. The Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive barrel grip jigsaw brings together control, precision, and power to make every cut smooth, accurate, and effortless. Its compact, ergonomic barrel grip design keeps you close to the cut, giving you total control and comfort, even during long or intricate projects. The auto mode speed control starts the cut slowly for maximum precision and then ramps up automatically for faster progress, while the variable speed settings and 4 orbital options allow you to tailor the cutting action perfectly to any material, from soft plywood to hardwood. Tool-free blade changes with the lever-action T-shank release make swapping blades quick and simple, saving you time and hassle. To keep your work clean and precise, it features an integrated vacuum port and dust blower that clears sawdust from the cut line, and dual LED lights illuminate the cutting area for enhanced visibility. The jigsaw also offers tool-free bevel adjustment,
allowing you to make cuts from 0 to 45 degrees with preset detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for common angles. On top of all that, the convenient thumb-activated power switch with lockout ensures safe and effortless operation, making this jigsaw a reliable and versatile tool for any woodworking project. The Kreg Ripcut is a game-changer for anyone looking to make fast, precise, and repeatable cuts without the hassle of measuring or marking. With a setup that takes only seconds, it allows you to make edge-guided cuts consistently, whether you're working on a single piece or cutting multiple pieces to the same size. It can handle rip cuts and cross cuts up to 24 inches wide, giving you the flexibility to tackle both small and large projects with ease. The oversized edge guide provides excellent control throughout the cut and is fully reversible, making it comfortable and effective for both left-handed and right-handed users. By eliminating the need for marking, measuring, and layout lines, the rip cut saves time and reduces the chance of errors, letting you focus on the work itself. Its universal sled design accepts most circular saws, whether they have a left or right side blade, as well as worm drive saws and jigsaws, making it compatible with a wide range of tools. To ensure precision and repeatability, the black anodized registration bar and the built-in precision lens cursor help you align each cut accurately, so every piece comes out exactly as intended. Overall, the Kreg Ripcut combines speed, accuracy, and versatility in one tool, making it an essential addition to any woodworking setup. The Kreg Dust Separator is a must-have tool for anyone looking to improve dust collection efficiency, protect their vacuum, and extend filter life up to 10 times by capturing up to 99.9% of dust and debris before it reaches your vacuum. It significantly reduces clogs and keeps suction strong, making your workspace cleaner and your tools more effective. The swivel top connection is designed to minimize tipping, providing stability even during heavy-duty use, while the Filter Max fins trap the finest dust particles, further enhancing suction and performance. Simple hose cuffs make it easy to attach and secure hoses quickly, saving time and effort during setup. The transparent top allows you to watch the cyclonic airflow in action and monitor the fill level at a glance, so you know exactly when it's time to empty the bucket. Additionally, it fits most standard 5-gallon buckets, making it highly versatile and compatible with a wide range of shop setups. Altogether, the Kreg Dust Separator keeps your vacuum running efficiently, protects your equipment, and helps maintain a cleaner, safer, and more organized workspace. Looking for a tool that makes cabinet assembly faster and more precise? The Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp is built to do just that. It includes 2 face frame clamps that ensure accurate alignment for time-saving one-step cabinet face frame installation, keeping your cabinet square and properly positioned. Made from professional-grade all-aluminum construction, the clamps are both durable and lightweight, while thick protective pads prevent damage to your surfaces. The hardened drill guide with an integrated pilot hole allows for precise screw placement, reducing mistakes and improving efficiency. These clamps work on styles from 1.5 inches to 2 inches, with an adjustable opening capacity from 2 7/8 inches to 4 7/16 inches, making them versatile for a wide range of cabinet projects. Altogether, the Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp combines precision, durability, and convenience to simplify cabinet assembly and deliver professional results every time. Rounding out the Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive lineup, the Oscillating multi-tool is an incredibly versatile addition to your workshop. Designed to handle a wide range of applications, it features variable speed settings from 7,000 to 17,000 OPM, giving you ultimate control for cutting, scraping, sanding, and more. The trigger-style operation with a lock-on button ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the vibration-damping design combined with sturdy metal housing and premium metal gearing provides smoother operation, reduces fatigue, and delivers long-lasting reliability. It accepts both open and closed-back universal blades and accessories, and the toolless blade change system makes swapping blades fast and hassle-free, so you can move between tasks without interruption. Built to withstand the demands of tough jobs, this multi-tool perfectly complements the rest of the Kreg Ionic Drive series, rounding out a lineup that combines precision, power, and versatility for virtually any woodworking or DIY project. And that concludes our overview of new Kreg tool lineup that will be available very soon. Share in the comments which of these tools you're most excited about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.